Hey everyone! Welcome to another episode of Dr. T Spills the Tea. We are being very contemporary with a really hot topic right now called maskne. And that applies to the fact that right now we're all having to wear masks in clinic, outdoors, at shops, and we have to be prepared with the outcomes of that. Now, the most common complaints that people have is a little breakout of acne, irritation of skin, and sometimes even milia formation. In essence, as a dermatologist, we see a version of this in different scenarios called acne mechanica. That's where some kind of mechanical force on the skin creates the right kind of situation with oil, sweat, dead skin cells accumulating and creating an acne environment. So what's really important for you is to make sure you do everything you can to prevent this from happening. Number one, don't make things worse with thick foundations or makeups underneath where you're going to be wearing your masks, especially where those contact points are. That will only make your acne worse. Number two, if you are using makeup, make sure you appropriately remove all makeup so there's no debris left over to kind of hang out and create little nests of acne spots to occur. Number three, you need to make sure you have appropriate barriers for your skin, which means you're avoiding irritation. So that might mean you use some kind of liner for your mask to make sure that it's not digging in. Two, your masks are appropriately worn, but not too tightly worn to make this situation worse. Fourth, you need to make sure you have a good soothing moisturizing barrier as well to make sure that you're actually protecting your skin. It's also what you do when the mask is off. So when your mask is off, make sure that you're cleaning, exfoliating, using the right product, and depending on your skin type, whether it's oily or greasy, or whether it's on the dry side, you're using the right cleanser. And lastly, if you unfortunately go through a breakout, make sure you're treating it appropriately and make sure you're just keeping in touch with your skincare specialist or your skincare expert to make sure that things don't get to a point where you have scars left over after the fact. So take care of yourself, love your skin, be safe, wear those masks, but make sure your skin is healthy too. We'll see you next time.